Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, blessed my people, Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Manners and respect to each and every one. I want to start off by saying these words. To each and every motorist, please drive safely for yourself and for others. Please use the road safely. Be very careful, for this is no joking thing. I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded within the country of Jamaica. And this video is going to show more than 2 motor vehicles that have been damaged, viewing subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information to determine what led to that situation where those motor vehicles had been damaged, or I did not get any confirmed information to determine what's the exact cause that led to the situation where those motor vehicles had been damaged. However, I hear at least one person said some words in the video pertaining to the situation viewing subscribers, you know, and I'm going to present the video to you so you can look and listen to the video for yourself. But I want you to please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm if any words said in the video are accurate pertaining to the situation. Let me say that again. I am not able to confirm if any words said in the video are accurate pertaining to those motor vehicles that have been damaged. But you can look and listen to the video for yourself. Oh, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people.
Watch out, man. Watch it. You know, look good, brother. A 3 vehicle man right off and clear one bike out with my friend. All the man crown over here to man right off. Watch out, man crown. All the man crown, brother, because they are not your insolent. You see me, dog, you know, I'm no liquor, brother. December now, you know, dog, I'm going to bump. I take time, you know, my friend. Yo, I'm going to go up the bike, man, alright, dog. Could they? Every vehicle, a man clear a park vehicle, dog. Jaja, you. Could you? Jaja, you. Jaja. Yo, you can't see that? Look like you're alright. You can't see it. You can't see it. Jaja, you. Alright. Oh, yeah, can you man left helmet, you know? A park vehicle, all of them, yeah? Everything a park vehicle, for the bus park to bus. At least a man lick. That the man there for the bike, he lick first. Yeah, the full boy man, cartel man. Yeah, but the man say big fine, man. Alright, no, some people say that. And the man come to the pool, nice to blood. Yeah, where I'm just a brace say that, man. A tree, watch out. All this, all a man crown to about.
Alright, people, so I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if any words said in the video by anyone are accurate pertaining to the situation. No, I am not able to confirm certain things pertaining to the situation. Alright, so my people, so I'm just presenting some videos to you that have been posted on social media and so on. See, the next video that I'm going to present to you had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. Now, based on some words that have been said in the next video that I'm about to present to you, I got the understanding that the video is about a situation where it is said that at least one police officer from within the country of Jamaica had been accused of shooting a female. I'm only going by some words that I heard in the video. I also got some unconfirmed information about a situation like that, but we'll just go by some words I'm hearing in the video. In this video, you see me, my people. So here I'm going to present the video to you. Please bear in mind that I can hear persons talking loud. I'm not able to confirm if some words that have been said in the video are accurate pertaining to whatsoever persons were talking about in the video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people.
And they are like different. Same police man was shot the girl. See him there. See him there. Him do it. Him shot the girl. See him there. The girl a run, brother. I run the girl a run, brother. Eh? What girl a do? In front of whole heap of other people. In front of people no shot the girl, brother. Miss. Yo. Team there. And then they even have no heart. Watch them. Watch them. You watch it. I TikTok me and post this man. I'm not care what nobody wants it. You police, you.
Wow. I saw at least one video about a situation where it said that police had been accused of shooting a female. And let me tell you something. That video had been sent to me with information that I would consider to be very tragic. I don't want to jump to no conclusion because I didn't get certain confirmed information to determine certain things pertaining to the allegation and accusation. You see me I say? So, I just have to left it right there so with that part there. It's set away. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that shows some things that happened when a person got out of a motor vehicle and threw at least one object in the direction of a type of truck or a motor vehicle. Now, in my point of view, it seems as if the person who threw at least one object acted out of anger. Saying, and in the video, me hear a person saying some words before certain things happen. Now, my people, I did not get any confirmed information as to what led to the situation. And I wanted to please bear in mind that I said at least. And just to make it very clear for your subscribers, the motor vehicle that the person threw at least one object at or towards was being operated by someone. Same as my people. Anyway, so look and listen to this video for yourself. Oh, and please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm if any words said in this video are accurate pertaining to the situation. Oh, and what would you call a situation like this, my people? Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. For this video, observe with me.
What this drama here? This garbage truck won't let this man pass. Almost run him off the road just now. When they was entering the flyover. Understand? What does do these people, boy? If you're picking up rubbish, that don't mean you have to do rubbish on the road too. Understand? If you see any, you almost let him come in the maritime flyover. Understand? Pushing him out to go quarter speed. I'm just holding this just in case something go down. Well, it looked like it break off. It looked like it break off.
Look, people, look. You can see some movement. Well, watch it.
What's going on here? What's going on here? Look what's going on here. Well, let's see what's going on there.
Me see a vehicle that me people, which look on that vehicle here. Come here, me don't want to jump to the conclusion, but look on that vehicle here. Look right this one. Slow down, this one. What type of vehicle that? Because that vehicle have me. Oh well. Now I jump to the conclusion, but that vehicle have me thinking of me see right this so. You see me? Because look what that happened and then me see a vehicle will look like that. Yeah, my people, so in my point of view, I would call a situation like that a road rage. What would you call a situation like that? What would you call that type of situation? Let me know what you think, yeah, my people. Blessed to each and every peacemakers out there. Yeah, blessed to all peacemakers, my people. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a group of persons did what they could to stop at least two persons from fighting with each other. In my point of view, two persons was behaving really hostile towards each other, and then a certain amount of persons did what they could to stop them from fighting with each other or attacking each other and so on, people. May I tell you the truth? No, I don't have any confirmed information to determine what might have happened before this video had been recorded, and I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded, but I want to say big up and respect to all those persons. Let me say that properly. I want to say big up and respect to all those persons who did what they could to de-escalate such a hostile situation. You see me I say? But anyways, please bear in mind that you can hear persons talking loud in the video. The video shows some things that happened during a hostile situation. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Angel Conflict. Angel.
Manners and respect to each and everyone who did whatsoever they could to de-escalate that hostile situation. See? Anyway, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?